this ellipse that is defined by the central point and the width and the height. Let's make the height slightly bigger, say 600, and or maybe not 400, and the width is going to be 600. So I will just draw in the middle this kind of an ellipse. So what happens if you want to make it rotated? You don't have any option to rotate here. What you actually have to do is you need to rotate the coordinate system, and let's rotate it in the time. So I'm going to rotate it in the using the frame count, but I want to convert the frame count from the numbers which I see as degrees now to radians, so that it actually rotates slower. Radians, so I'm converting the frame count to radians. But the problem here would be that no, there is no problem really, because the matrix resets automatically at the end of the draw function. The matrix resets, the style doesn't reset. So therefore, and the thing is that because we are rotating the whole coordinate system around its origin, it actually rotates around this. So in fact, if you want to rotate the ellipse on its own, you need to actually translate, which means move the origin, but you need to do it before rotating. You need to translate the origin to the center of the canvas, divided by 2, height divided by 2, and then you're drawing the ellipse to the world origin, which is 0, 0 right now, but it's moved to the center of the canvas. So if I restart it now, then the ellipse is rotating. It really matters in which order you do this, because if you imagine that you rotate first, so you will rotate the canvas around the origin, and then you move the origin, you will end up having something completely different. So let's have a look. If I first rotate and then translate, then we end up having something completely different. Actually, we are having exactly what we had before, so we want to have it this way. Just remember that we are actually doing this. This is resetting each time this is happening. If you actually remember, or if you were watching the advanced video for the immediate mode, for the processing anatomy, then you know what is push matrix, pop matrix. So I will do that. If you don't know that, just don't worry about that. Push matrix. So we are saving the current matrix, rotating it, drawing the ellipse, and popping the matrix, so that we are again back to the state where the origin is in the middle and it's not rotated at all. And now I will push matrix again. I'm saving the current state. I will rotate. I'm actually just going to copy paste this one. I will rotate, but this time I'm going to rotate the other way around, counterclockwise, and I'm drawing the same ellipse and popping the matrix. So and returning, which means returning to the original state. I can, just to make sure everything works well, I will push matrix here as well. I'm saving whatever matrix we have and I'm popping it here. It's always a good idea to push matrix, pop matrix whenever you are actually playing with a matrix, with a coordinate system. So now we should have two ellipses that are rotating against each other.